Welcome. This is my first video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do the simple open and close with the butterfly knife, or in my case it's a comb. And this is a Benchmade. You can see right there. It has the Benchmade logo. And so yeah. Alright, so it's closed, open, close. Simple opening and close. Alright, the first way you do it is you grab it like this and sling it open like that. Turn it, do that. Flip it back over. And turn it, flip it over. So you just turn it, flip it over. Simple. Turn it, flip it over. And now you do it fast. And yeah. And there it is. I bought it on Amazon. It was like $10, I think. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.